Well, we have all heard the quote, content is king. So listen to this stat. Video has the highest ROI of any media format by far, according to HubSpot. Hello, my Rise to Shiners. I'm Jules Altimus, and today we are discussing how to use video to elevate your content game. I'll be your guide today as we discuss one of the most powerful tools in media. As we all know, content is king in today's digital landscape, but with so many people creating content, how can you make sure that yours stands out from the crowd? The answer is simple: video. Incorporating video into your content strategy can help you elevate your game and engage your audience in ways that other forms of content cannot. In fact, 54% of consumers prefer video content over other types of content. Wow. Are you ready for this? Are you new at video and feel a little intimidated? Or are you seasoned, looking to level up your game a bit? Drop your comments below and tell me how you feel about creating video. I definitely started off in the analysis of paralysis phase before I got started. I wasn't sure what to say. So the first step to using video to elevate your content game is to understand your audience. You need to know what they want to see and what will resonate with them. A good question to ask yourself is, why are you creating the video? What problems are you solving? What is the pain point of your audience? From there, you can create content that speaks directly to their interests and needs. Once you know what your audience wants, it's time to start creating your video content. This can be intimidating at first, but fear not. You don't need expensive equipment or a professional videographer to create great videos. All you need is a camera, good lighting, good audio, and a good idea, and the willingness to experiment and learn. When it comes to creating your video content, there are a few best practices to keep in mind. First and foremost, keep your videos short and sweet. Attention spans are short, so get to the point quickly and deliver what you promised. Don't clickbait your audience, as they will lose trust in your content. Additionally, be sure to include captions or subtitles to make your content accessible to everyone, regardless of hearing ability or language barriers. Finally, don't forget about distribution. In order for your video content to have an impact, you need to get in front of the right people. Share your videos on social media, embed them in blog posts, and include them in email newsletters or even signature lines. The more places your videos are seen, the better. If you're finding value here already, smash the like button. I'll be covering a lot more on how to become camera confident and connect with your audience. By incorporating video into your content strategy and following these best practices, you'll be well on your way to elevating your content game and engaging your audience in a new and exciting way. In the next video, I'll be covering your big idea when creating content. So click the subscribe button so you don't miss a thing when it comes to elevating your game through the power of video. Stay connected and stay confident.